Hello everyone, so welcome back into my 7th video of today on 7th December guys. Both are same on 2024. Let's start it without wasting more time. As you know, this is our new video for learning and word meanings and many more with an adventure story. Let's start it, okay? Just imagine this, remember that. Imagine waking up in the year 3024 3024. Wow, after 900 years after, 900 not 1000 completely years after. Let's imagine, okay, let's start it. The word is unrecognizable yet familiar. Flying cars zip through the sky and holographic billboards flash vibrant messages. This is MrBeast's futuristic adventure where every challenge has a twist that teaches us something profound. Today, I am diving into a world where technology meets humanity. In this future, generosity is not just a trend; it's a way of life. People, people are People are connected like never before, using advanced tech to help each other. Imagine a community where everyone contributes to solving global issues, climate change, poverty, and education through collaborative projects powered by AI. But here is the lesson: while technology can enhance our lives, it's our choices that truly shape our world. Okay, MrBeast discovers that even in 3024, the most impactful change comes from kindness and empathy. I know you know about kindness, but you don't know what is meaning of empathy. Okay, if you don't understand it, so must write your question in the comments, then I will tell you. If you don't know, okay. He meets a group of young innovators who have created a device to purify water for those in need. Their passion inspires him to host a massive challenge. Whoever can come up with the best idea to improve their community wins funding for their project. As the competition unfolds, we see contestants not just focused on winning but on uplifting others. They share resources, knowledge, and support the real prize, a stronger bond among people striving for a better future. So what is the takeaway from MrBeast's adventure? It's not just about flashy tech or viral challenges. It's about the meaning behind our actions in 3024. Wow, 3024 or today. We learned that true success lies in lifting each other up. 100% right. Okay, remember that guys, and making a lasting impact. Let's take this lesson into our own lives. Embrace innovation, but remember to lead with compassion, because in any era kindness is timeless. Okay, bye for now. Subscribe for more.